Yeah. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching our video from. This is Pastor Esther, direct from Noah's Boat Children's Home. Let me say, by the grace of God, this is a very amazing day, and by the grace of God, we really thank God so much. For today, we have our lunch, and now we are ready to serve our kids. As you can see, our food is here. We have a lot of food for our kids, and we are going to serve them. So the food is ready. We have daga and ugari. So guys, let us continue working together and helping our kids here. Today they are going to eat daga and ugari, and they have even a bread. So it's a very, very amazing day, and we need thank God. Can you help me to serve, Esther? Okay, continue. Yes, this is the Felix and Azon and Nora. Yeah, let me help you here. Sakura. Yes. They were eating the bread, and in their morning time and even this lunchtime, we have some piece of bread left for them. Yeah. Yes, guys. So we really thank God that. Okay. That we have something to eat. You know, there are so many outside there, they don't have anything to eat. But when we see this, we really thank God. Guys, it's only we are planning to buy the fruits. Some of the fruits are broken. Even this one is so sorry. Yeah. Just come.
Watu wasonge mbele.
Huyo ni Joram, huyu ni Peter, Mathias, Salome. Kila mtu asemaje jina, unasema thank you. Yes. When you get your prayer, just say thank you, God bless you. Yeah. Just say thank you. I'm so sorry for that break. So just wait a minute. The plate is not enough for our kids, guys, and some of them they have to wait others to finish eating, and then we get the plate. So just wait. Just wait. You are going to serve. Yeah. Unaweza shikilia hivi chakula useme hello.
Ndo usawa.
Yeah.
Esther.
Hakuna sahani.
Amemwaga.
Yes, can you say hi?
Hi.
Hey, mnakula nini?
Ugali.
Mnakula nini?
Ugali.
Ugali na nini?
Dagaa.
Mbona mimi naona mkate?
And bread.
Oh, you are eating ugali, dagaa, and bread. Yeah, thank you so much. We are so happy, guys, for our kids. They are cheering here, and they are so happy, enjoying their food, and everybody is so happy today. So it's a very, very beautiful day, even sunny day, even when you can see the sky. Yeah, you can see the sky, the crown looking very amazing. And as I told you guys, our kids used normally to sit down here in our beautiful shade. We just try to put this shade here because our dining has fallen down. We were cutting those trees, Graveria trees, just you can see them there. Yeah, we are trying to cut the branches and we make this shade for our kids to have somewhere to sit down and wait for food. So we appreciate wherever you are watching our video from. Please continue supporting our kids, continue supporting our orphanage. You see, I told you I don't have enough workers, so sometimes even our teacher used to help me. You can see teacher Foreign here.
Hi.
She used to help me just even to prepare the food for our kids. She's here. Can you say something
Hi
to
guys.
our friends?
It's Pauline here, their teacher, and also I use to help Madam here to cook for our kids.
Yeah. So
welcome
guys,
to know us.
I really thank God for our dear sister here. She's a very, very nice lady, and she's helping us so much. You can say just...
My name is Mr. Danny Church.
Yeah.
I am teaching grade 1.
Yes.
I am supervisor. Visit people to take some stuff.
Oh, good. God bless your teacher. Even me, if it's your first time to watch my videos, my name is Pastor Esther. I'm the founder and director of this orphanage. And guys, I told you I'm taking care of these kids. These are total orphans, and some of them, they are abandoned kids. They even don't know who is their parent. They don't know even their relatives. But for your prayer, you can see this far we have come. We have so many kids. Some of them are learning outside this school. We have this homeschool for our small kids. We have grade 1, and now we started PP1 and PP2, and then we have grade 1 and grade 2. So for now, guys, we really thank God, and I just want to say thank you so much, even for one who are sending the money to buy some breads for our kids here, guys. So if we get breads even twice a week, we just thank God for your donation and your support. So whatever you are watching, maybe it's your evening time, maybe morning time, maybe afternoon, let me say that may God bless you so much. May God expand your territory. Thank you for your big love and sacrifice. Thank you for sending your love to our kids here. So you can see these kids. You can decide even to support one boy or one girl. And I can say thank you even for all friends that is sending their love to us here. So our orphanage is just like this. You can see the dining hall has fallen down. Yeah, you can see the wall. This started when it was heavy rain, and even the flood was passing just near here to this wall, so it has fallen down in a very big voice, and we just tried our best to make another shade for the kids to have somewhere to sit. So as you can see, everything is going well here. I will be sending a lot of videos according, let me say, day by day. I'm trying my best to show you what is going on this ground. So these are our beautiful village. Our village is called Binguti village, very near to Nyabohanse famous village, and we are working here, guys. Sometimes I'm working with the friends from the church. They used to call me pastor, and they used to tell me, let us come sometimes 2 to 3 days a week and try to support you. This is a very, very big job. And guys, I was even asking you to subscribe my videos, like and share. Please try to send me even your comment and share with your friends. And you can give me even advice, ideas, and we can start working together step by step, day by day, and we can share a lot. So for now, I just want to take you around, showing you what is going on here. I told you last week you are building a new kitchen, and let me show you what is going on here in our kitchen. We are almost done. We are waiting for those guys to come and start building the gutters and start putting the wire, and it's almost done, guys. So other kids are here. The other kids are here. We're just trying to look good position where they can get shade, because even the shade that we have there, the shade of that graveria trees is not enough for them. It's just small one, but some of them like to sit down in front of this house, and in this side, after they're eating, then they will go to the ground down there and start their games. After a few minutes, they will go back to the class. So follow me, guys. Let me take you to our new kitchen. Yeah. So you can see the new kitchen. We just started like 1 week ago, and it's almost done. So I thank God for this big love. You can see now they are planning to put the renter, and after renter we are going to put the windows and doors just there, and then we start putting
Roofing.
the roof. Yeah, by the next week we are going to start roofing, and we will be waiting for 1 week again to start doing
Plastering.
the house. So thank you for everything, and may God bless you so much. Welcome to our home. Welcome to our orphanage, and let us continue working together. Things are doing so well, very, very amazing, and I'll be trying to send you more videos just to show you what is going on, like every day. Yeah, as you can see, guys, the sand is almost finished. We bought one truck, and that is a job that has done for that just one truck. It looks like if we are going to plaster this house, we will need maybe more, like 2 trucks, so that we can plaster this house inside and outside. These are 2 rooms. The first room is like kitchen. Yeah, enough big kitchen. and the other small room is for where like a small store where you can put maybe you can put the food when you are cooking. We need somewhere to put the maybe beans and maize inside our store to have everything when you are planning to cook. That's why we decided to put 2 rooms. The first room is our enough kitchen, and the other second small room is where you can put your food when you are cooking. We will build stands inside, and then we will be putting our food inside on that stand. So guys, I am so happy because without you guys I cannot make it, and I believe that you are doing very amazing, taking care of every one of us here. I am strongly believe that it's a very big sacrifice. Yes, like I just want to thank you, all of you. Our sister Andrea, even Jury was paying some money to support the one boy in college. Yeah, he just said he can stand with one boy. So that's why, guys, I'm telling you that you can choose to stand with one kid. And we have other one who's saying that I can stand with one kid. And things are doing very amazing. Yeah, I know that without you guys, nothing I can do me by myself. So I really thank God for this far. I'm going to end up this video for now. It's a very amazing day, and may God bless you so much. Continue supporting our orphanage, and guys, remember to subscribe my videos. You can see even my number in that description. You will see my number there. My number is +2 54 727 90 22 06. That's my number. Welcome Noah's Boat. Welcome one, welcome all, and may God bless you. Bye for now.